This is the brand new Microsoft Surface Pro 9 and let's get started with the unboxing and then we will talk about the laptop in detail after that. So here is the box and this is the brand new Microsoft Surface Pro 9 laptop. 65-watt fast charger is included in the box itself and some manuals are also present. Additionally, you can buy this keyboard and Slim Pen 2, which makes it a complete productivity machine. And it comes in this sapphire blue color. This looks really good. The market is filled with boring looking laptops, but this looks very fresh and something new as well. This is a very lightweight laptop weighing at just 879 grams, which makes it very easy to carry around. One thing which I love about Surface products in general is the in-hand feel because of the premium materials which are used, and Surface Pro 9 is no exception to that. It looks and feels very premium. Also, this comes in 4 beautiful finishes: sapphire, forest, platinum and graphite. It has 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, so you can do multitasking work easily by connecting external monitors and have very fast data transfer speeds at the same time. It comes with latest Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1 support. When it comes to audio, Surface Pro 9 comes with 2-watt stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos, which produces some really good quality sound. 1080p Full HD front-facing camera on the Surface Pro 9 is just way too good for any laptop. It looks really good, and coupled with dual far-field studio mics, your experience of video calls and virtual meetings is going to be great. My most favorite feature of Surface Pro 9 is that this is a 2-in-1 device. Right now it is a laptop, but I'll just disconnect this keyboard and this is a full-fledged touchscreen tablet which can utilize the Surface Slim Pen 2 completely, with which you can draw, sketch or take notes. I made a video with an artist who used the Slim Pen 2 to draw this amazing artwork. Definitely watch that complete video, and I'll just connect this tablet back to the keyboard and now it becomes a laptop. This 2-in-1 functionality is amazing. I can use it as a laptop when I'm typing and doing my work, but let's say my work is done and I want to watch some movies or videos. I'll just remove the keyboard, I'll keep it aside, I'll take it wherever I want and use it as a tablet and view it from any angle. That's the best part in my opinion. Now it also has edge-to-edge 13-inch Pixel Sense Flow touchscreen display, which is very smooth as it comes with 120Hz refresh rate. The display is very pleasing to look at, and the display is glossy by the way and does not have any matte finish. It has a resolution of 2880 by 1920 and a contrast ratio of 1200:1. It has a 10-point multi-touch support, meaning this is a full-fledged touchscreen display and you can utilize it completely. Plus you also have Gorilla Glass 5 for extra protection on the front. The bezels are narrower than last year and Windows 11 is very well optimized for the touchscreen experience. Now it has ambient color sensor, so the display color can be adjusted according to the surroundings. For performance, Surface Pro 9 comes with Intel Evo 12th generation processors with Intel's Iris Xe graphics, and this is Intel Evo certified laptop as well. When it comes to RAM options, you have 8GB, 16GB, 32GB RAM options with Surface Pro 9. The laptop has RAM which is LPDDR5, which is very fast for on-the-go laptop like this, and it delivers amazing, blazing fast performance. Surface Pro 9 obviously runs on Windows 11 out of the box, and you can easily unlock this laptop by using Windows Hello, which uses your camera to unlock the laptop, and it unlocks very quickly. Now you also have Microsoft 365 apps and Xbox apps which are pre-installed on the laptop, and you also get 30 days free trial of Microsoft 365 Family and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Laptop supports 65-watt charging and Microsoft claims up to 15.5 hours of battery life on this particular device. So what's the conclusion? If you are looking for a productive machine which is light in weight but heavy at work, this would be a right choice because of its 2-in-1 form factor. Obviously, it's a laptop and now it's a tablet. Plus, it comes with great battery life, high performance and very easy to carry around, and portability is just amazing. So what are your thoughts on the Surface Pro 9? Let us know in the comment section box below. If you still have any more questions regarding the Surface Pro 9, you can ask them in the comment section or you can tweet it to me at @Dhananjay_tech. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.